Today again we are going to be exploring a surprise perfume by Elkhaldi perfumes from Palestine. This brother Mahir is from Palestine, and I salute all the Palestinian people and all the souls that has been lost, and our heart is always going to be staying with Palestinian people. Today we are going to test Musk Flora by Elkhaldi perfumes. These are natural perfumes, so the ingredients are really costly. They are not going to be easily available. Sometimes it's difficult to get them. So they are mostly in limited quantities. So you can contact Elkhaldi perfumes if you want to buy. Let's test this out. This is Musk Flora. Now Musk Flora has Motia, which is jasmine, I think, white and red champaka, I think champaka flower, I think, blue and pink lotus. Oh, these are my favorite flowers. Lotus and champaka is also very good. Motia I don't like much, and Koh Kong 2015 Oud. Some of the ingredients are really great. I really love them. These are my favorite ingredients. Let's spray this out on my hand. I'm going to review only 2 of these daily because they really deserve to be sprayed on skin. These are natural perfumes and they have ingredients that are unique, and you should always value them. So let's spray. Okay, so I'm not able to spray it with my left hand. So let's. Okay, so it is energizing, it is refreshing, it is tantalizing, it is vibrating kind of start. It is not, it doesn't have much citrus, but the florals, they are like vibrating like this. So it is like a butterfly that is flipping its wings very fast. Yes, I think this is a very lovely, very lovely blend. Okay, so let me just take some moment. It is very well done perfume. Champaka and the motia and the flowers and the musk and the oud, it has made a very calming kind of effect. The start was refreshing, then it started calming down. For me, it is a very beautiful perfume, and it is a bit powerful too. It is now, exploring my room. Okay, so it has a bubble of its own. Very lovely perfume. The motia, the florals over here, they are really rounded. Nothing is headache inducing. This is, in my opinion, I think this is the best after musk melange. This is really good. Brother Maher, I really think that this is one of the best. I keep sniffing this again and again. This is because it is very lovely. I cannot explain it in my words. It has very lovely floral balance. Motia, champaka, the lotus, the lotus flowers, the musk, they are playing a brilliant role over here. It is like they have formed a very thick kind of dense musky floral ball, I would say. So this is a very lovely. It doesn't smell or sniff like white florals. Now I am sniffing, I am getting lotus flower. Now why lotus is one of my favorite flowers, it has very tingling or very sparkling kind of effect in your nose. It is totally different, and it really it really gets through the barriers. It is going to go, if someone is going to meet you, like they are going to hug you. If you are wearing this, they are really going to ask you, what are you wearing? Because it is the quality of lotus flowers. The people are going to notice you. This is a very well done perfume. Musk Flora. If I had the money, I might have bought this one. This is really Very, very well done. This is really, in my opinion, I have tested 4 perfumes from Elkhaldi perfumes, and this is my favorite so far. And also the other one I love is Musk Melange. So this one is right now my favorite, and in my wish list, I would say. Now I am going to review and write some of the uh, details about the performance and everything. So now I'm going to give it 9 out of 10 for scent profile. I rarely give 9 to perfumes, but this one has really won my heart. And this is, I think, one of the best floral musky perfumes that has the perfect balance, in my opinion. Very, very lovely perfume. Really amazed by how this has been played out, how it is playing. It has Motia, it has a yellow floral chimpaka, it has a very lovely scent of blue and pink lotus. I have sniffed blue lotus, so lotus is there, and musk and lotus, they are like kind of like they play a role of katana. If you have seen a sword, they actually are a sword, in my opinion. Very, very lovely accord if you blend musk and blue lotus. This is one of the best perfumes I have sniffed in recent years. Musk Flora is going to be my favorite. I'm going to give it 9 out of 10 for scent profile and 9 out of 10 for performance, because it has its own power. It is a powerful perfume. So this is my review about Musk Flora, and if you want to purchase it, you can check out Elkhaldi Perfumes, his Facebook page. I'm going to list it over here, or the link over here. You can find the link in the description below. You can see his page over here, and also he has a page on what I would say Oud Addict. I think Oud Addict forum. That is all. So this is my favorite so far. Let me know if you have tried Elkhaldi perfumes or you want to buy or purchase them. I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye, and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.